Hello, small movie opening and Scorpion Evo magazine. First press the button on the back to remove the cap. Don't have to be afraid removing this, everything is still in place by a small pin over here. Now I'm gonna remove that one. There we go. Now press at the back to push out the inside, but hold your fingers over the two BB stoppers. This one, it's a really small piece with a small spring behind it, so keep them locked and then just push it outside and drop the small parts. Really small. Pull it out a little bit, just stop over there, otherwise you have a chance that the big spring inside blows out and the small pieces inside go with it. I lost one that way. Now remove this cap just by pulling it down and lifting it up a bit, and that's how the spring can be released safely. Just pull this one out, drop it down, and I can safely pull it out, open it up. And this is how the inside is. Putting it back together safely, just place it back on top, slide it in, there we go, slide it in, put the spring back, lock it securely. Now put those small BB stoppers back. The shape of the spring, it has a long side and a short side. The long side goes in. The other side. Now push it down till the end, and there we go. Place the pin back. Click. And slide the cap back on. Push the button so it goes on there. All done.